And friends, now to accord welcome, let us welcome the chairman of this summit, past District Governor Vinay Kulkarni.
Two firms, Vincon Projects Private Limited and Horizon Interiors Private Limited. At the International Convention held at Barcelona, Vinay was felicitated by the Rotary International President as one of the outstanding presidents worldwide for membership growth. Vinay is also a recipient of the Rotary International Citation Meritorious Service Award for excellent work in TRF and the Service Above Self Award. As the first serving governor in the world to have contributed so much to the TRF during his tenure, he was honored with a place in the Arch Clump Gallery's Hall of Fame in Chicago. Term gift, an initiative taken by him, provided incubators worth $30,000 to East and West Africa and India. Free cardiac surgeries for the children below poverty level from India and neighboring countries are also on his agenda. He has committed $250,000 as an endowment to the TRF. Vinay has served Rotary in various capacities. He is Chairman South Asia Literacy Summit. His wife Rashmi is a practicing architect. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome PDG Vinay Kulkarni and his gracious spouse Rashmi.
Good morning, friends. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all for this event being held on literacy in South Asia. Friends, I am overwhelmed to see such a good response of Rotarians who are engaged and willing to work for more literate South Asia. We have an impressive array of leading lights of Rotary in South Asia, along with some outstanding minds in the field of literacy. We are honored by the presence of Honorable Minister Dr. Pallam Raju, Minister for Human Resource Development, Government of India. Warm welcome to you, sir. We also welcome Honorable Nisar Ahmad Khuro, Senior Minister of Education, Pakistan. We would also like to welcome Rotary International South Asia Committee Chair, past RI President Kalyan Banerjee and Binotaji. Convener, RI Director P.T. Prabhakar. Convener, past RI Director Shekhar and Rashiji. Friends, past RI President Rajaji has sent his best wishes for this summit as he is unable to attend it today, but definitely he is going to attend this summit tomorrow. I would like to welcome past RI Director Sudarshanji Agarwal and Ushaji, Pandurang Shetty, past RI Director and incoming TRF Trustee Sushilji and Vinitaji, past RI Director Ashok Mahajan and Nayantaraji, past RI Director Yashpal Das and Manjuji. We would also like to welcome serving past and incoming RI officers, Rotarians, ANS, Inner Wheel members, Rotractor, Interactors, member of the press, and all participants, and particularly the participants from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and of course from India. Friends, it's widely said that you can't have industrial revolution, you can't have democracies, you can't have populations who can govern themselves until you have literacy. Today, there are over 200 million illiterate women in India. This low literacy negatively impacts not their lives, but also their families and country's economic development. A girl's lack of education also has a negative impact on the health and well-being of our children, and this we wish to improve with lot more things. Our very own past Rotary International World President Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, with galaxy of other past, present and future RI officers, have given a clarion call that if there is anything else after polio we need to work in South Asia, it is literacy. And this is the reason we have organized this unique event under the leadership of Convener RI Director P.T. Prabhakar and past RI Director Rotarian Shekhar Mehta. Friends, you are going to get very vast knowledge on literacy in this summit. I am confident that you will return to spread the message of literacy not only in your club but in your RI district and throughout South Asia. At present, Rotary International District 3131 and its neighboring districts from Maharashtra are doing excellent work in literacy. And I am confident that all other districts will also join them in this endeavor. I am really indebted to past RI President Kalyanda, Convener RI Director P.T. Prabhakar, and past RI Director Shekhar, and all the members of organizing committee, and especially District 3010 for imposing confidence in me as a chairman of this summit. I appeal to all of you to put in your best of service and request you to continue working for service as we move forward boldly into the future. Thank you very much.